Good news. The landlord just sent over the final lease for the restaurant.
Tina.
I'm gonna head into the city, print it out, and circle back.
Wait, that's silly. Why don't you look at John's today?
Sure?
Yes.
Absolutely. You can use his laptop. And
You need his password?